Recent social media pictures have unveiled that China's People's Liberation Army is proactively upgrading its artillery units with anti-drone protections. During a live-fire exercise conducted by the 76th Artillery Brigade of the 76th Group Army, Western Theater Command, in the expansive northwest Gobi Desert, several PLZ-05 self-propelled howitzers were observed equipped with various anti-drone and first-person view FPV unmanned aerial vehicle UAV countermeasures. The photographs reveal that these artillery pieces have been fitted with additional protective structures and technologies designed to mitigate threats from small drones and FPV UAVs. These enhancements appear to be a direct response to evolving combat tactics witnessed in recent global conflicts, particularly the extensive use of drones in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. The Chinese army modifications underscore a growing recognition of the need for enhanced defensive measures against aerial threats, posed by agile and often commercially available drones capable of conducting surveillance or delivering precision strikes. The conflict in Ukraine has prominently highlighted how such unmanned systems can significantly influence ground operations, prompting militaries worldwide to reassess and bolster their defensive capabilities. Military analysts note that the integration of anti-drone protections on the PLZ-05 howitzers signifies China's commitment to adapting its military assets to counter emerging threats effectively. The utilization of drones in modern warfare has transformed the battlefield dynamics. China is keen on learning from these conflicts to ensure its forces are well prepared against similar challenges. The PLZ-05 is a 155mm self-propelled howitzer, a crucial component of the PLA's artillery units known for its firepower and mobility. The newly added anti-drone features may include physical barriers like mesh screens to protect against loitering munitions, electronic jamming systems to disrupt drone controls, and radar systems capable of detecting and tracking low-altitude aerial threats. The sighting of anti-drone enhancements on the PLA's PLZ-05 howitzers during the live-fire exercises in the Gobi Desert marks a significant step in China's military preparedness. As drones and other unmanned systems continue to influence the dynamics of warfare, incorporating countermeasures becomes crucial for maintaining operational effectiveness and force protection. These enhancements aim to provide a layered defense mechanism, ensuring that artillery units can operate with reduced risk from aerial surveillance and attacks by enemy drones. The live-fire exercises in the Gobi Desert offered an ideal environment to test these systems under realistic combat conditions, enabling the PLA to evaluate the effectiveness of their upgrades and make necessary adjustments. China's focus on augmenting its military hardware with anti-drone technologies aligns with a broader global military trend emphasizing the importance of counter-UAV systems. As drones become increasingly accessible and technologically advanced, the necessity for robust defense against them has escalated. The PLA's advancements in anti-drone defenses reflect a strategic shift towards preparing for a future where unmanned systems are prevalent on the battlefield, commented Zhang Tao, a military technology expert. By enhancing their artillery units with such protections, they are not only safeguarding their assets but also maintaining a tactical advantage. While there has been no official statement from the PLA regarding these specific modifications, the visual evidence from the exercises indicates a clear intent to modernize and adapt to contemporary warfare demands. This proactive approach is consistent with China's ongoing military modernization efforts, aiming to transform the PLA into a world-class fighting force capable of countering various threats. The developments observed in the PLA's artillery units are a testament to the global impact of military modernization initiatives undertaken by numerous nations in response to the changing nature of warfare. The integration of advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, cyber warfare capabilities, and unmanned systems, is reshaping defense strategies globally. As nations observe and learn from conflicts like the one in Ukraine, adaptations such as enhanced anti-drone protections become imperative. These measures not only improve defensive capabilities but also contribute to deterrence by complicating potential adversaries' operational planning. China's advancements remind us of the accelerating pace of military innovation and the continuous evolution of combat strategies. The PLA's efforts to protect its forces from emerging threats underscore the importance of agility and adaptability in modern military doctrine. The PLZ-05B retains the same caliber and barrel length as its predecessor, the PLZ-05,155mm self-propelled howitzer. However, the most striking aspect of the PLZ-05B is its redesigned turret. For most sources, this turret appears to be manned, emphasizing a blend of manual operation and high reliance on automation and information technology. The enlarged turret design has raised speculation among a minority of observers that the PLZ-05B might feature an unmanned turret. similar to the Russian Tu-S-35 Koalitsiya SV self-propelled howitzer. While this enhances crew survivability, it results in a larger turret, which is a minor drawback for a rear-based self-propelled howitzer primarily used for long-range fire support. An unmanned turret integrates an automatic loading system and ammunition storage within the turret, ensuring crew isolation and enhanced safety. For the majority of sources, the PLZ-05B turret signifies significant advances in automation, with an expected high rate of fire enabled by an automatic loading system, akin to the Tu-S-35's impressive 16 rounds per minute. This enhancement promises increased firepower and reliability to compete with the most modern 155mm self-propelled howitzers. The presence of reversing shock absorbers on top of the 155mm gun has also been observed. On top of the turret, a laser warning receiver is visible, enhancing the PLZ-05B's situational awareness and protection. The adoption of a lower slope protection design for the chassis provides improved protection for the PLZ-05B, capable of defending against 12.7mm armor-piercing projectiles. Additional spaced armor on the sides increases protection against 30mm armor-piercing shells and 40mm rocket attacks. Relocating the engine heat dissipation louvers to the upper right position of the cockpit improves protection against fragmentation and light weapons. The front turret armor is also expected to defend against 12.7mm armor-piercing projectiles. Compared to its predecessor, the PLZ-05, the PLZ-05B showcases substantial changes in both the chassis and turret, with a likely overhaul of numerous subsystems. It's worth noting that some experts suggest that the PLZ-05B designation could be provisional, and the self-propelled howitzer might adopt a different name in the future, similar to the Chinese Type 19 infantry fighting vehicle IFV.